Hello, I'm Clay from A Frog's Dream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. So, we've been talking a lot lately about the changes to your pond this spring, what's going to happen, what could happen. We've been talking about dirty water, cloudy water, green water. So today we're going to talk about something much more fun. I don't think if more fun is even, you can say that, but I'm going to anyway. So, even though we're going to talk about something fun, it still hinges on one thing that we've been talking about pretty much this entire spring, and that's water temperatures. When are your aquatic plants going to actually start to grow? It's a question we get, especially one that we've been getting a lot this year because it's been so cool. The water temperatures in our ponds have not been warming up quickly, and the plants really were very slow to start growing. So, plants start growing at a certain water temperature. It's between 55 and 60 degrees. The plants will start to grow, the water lilies will start to grow, you might start to see your lotus grow, but they like a little bit warmer weather, and all of your marginal plants, your canna, your hardy water canna, or thalia, the water forget-me-nots, the creeping jennies, your iris, they probably started to because they just grow and they don't ever stop growing. But water lilies in particular have just really started to pop up, and you may see some leaves or maybe even a lot of leaves, and that's because the water temperature has finally warmed up to where our aquatic plants are going to start taking over, start using that nutrients in the water, and you should start to see less algae and or string algae if you have a problem now. So that's this week's tip. When do water plants start to grow, or aquatic plants in our ponds start to grow? And it's right around 55, 60 degrees, which is the same number that you start feeding your fish. So, that's this week's Weekly Ribbit. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says, I saw my pond, to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please click the link that says Weekly Ribbit Question Submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, so you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Thanks for listening, and have a great week.